Hi everyone. This is Stella, a Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic reimagined by Southeast Custom Cycles. Transformed into a hot rod softail, it now runs with a Level 3 big-bore 124 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight motor, pushing out 147 pound-feet of torque and 138 horsepower. Classic Heritage, reborn with modern firepower. The heart of Stella is the SECC Level 3 Custom M8 engine package, built with Screamin Eagle components for maximum performance. Power delivery is enhanced by an AIM performance clutch spring set, while the S&S Sidewinder exhaust system with heat shields provides a deep, aggressive soundtrack. Breathing comes through a Rinehart Racing Moto Series inverted air cleaner, and fueling is precisely controlled with TechnoResearch Direct Link software. Monitoring oil pressure is handled by an A1 Cycles gauge kit, while Pineapple Express custom-cut cylinder and head fins add both function and unique style. And to ensure every ounce of potential is unlocked, this bike has been professionally dyno-tuned for peak output and reliability. Stella's look is unmistakable, a custom Art Deco-inspired retro paint scheme in vivid black with brushed silver, racing red, and white graphics. The full chassis powder coat and gloss black ties the design together. RT Performance stretched front and rear fenders sculpt the lines, while a low-profile tag mount keeps it clean. Ride control is handled by Legends Air Mono rear air ride system with adjustable compression, paired with an RT Performance front air ride system for total control. An AF Custom Softail center stand adds show-stopping presence. Up front, an HHI 6-degree rake triple tree set and extended brake and clutch lines give Stella that stretched, aggressive stance. The bike rolls on SMT Machine PS.02 custom wheels, 23 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, matched with custom rotors and pulley. Big, bold, and built to handle the power. A Level3 Daytona custom seat, reupholstered to match the paint, makes the perfect throne. Behind it, a 26-inch custom passenger sissy bar with matching leather backrest completes the retro hot rod silhouette. Finishing touches include a Harley-Davidson flush-mount low-profile gas cap kit. Control comes through law chopper bobber-style ape hangers mounted on Harley-Davidson shorty risers. Your hands rest on Avon Excalibur grips, with Todd Cycles low-profile bobber mirrors and a Joker Machine Stalker billet shifter linkage rounding out the details. At the rear, Bad Dad taillights provide running, turn, and brake functions. And yes, this custom also features a cheeky custom chopper tail light, though other lens options are available if that offends your taste. Up front, Drag Specialty's low-profile handlebar-mounted turn signals keep it sleek and functional. Stella, it's a rolling work of art. A blend of retro-inspired design, modern muscle, and custom attitude. A bike that honors tradition, while demanding attention everywhere it rides. Thanks for watching.